You want to sell your home and maybe buy another. So what's stopping you? Too busy to get it ready? Who isn't? Maybe it needs some work. Maybe a lot of work. Who has time or money for that? But you can't buy something else until you sell. What to do? Tap into Go Service from your leading-edge real estate agent. Go Service will take care of all the hassles of selling for you, so you can get going. We provide cleaning, junk removal, painting, kitchen and bath updates, repairs, landscaping, professional staging, even pack and move services. You pay nothing until you close on your sale. Think you can't buy a house without selling yours first? With Go Service, you can. We have financing options that will make you an attractive buyer. Buy the house you want, then we take complete care of selling your home. Sell then buy, or buy then sell. Either way, Go Service can simplify your move. Learn more from your leading edge real estate agent today, or visit leadingedgeagents.com.